AI-optimized email campaigns see 41% higher open rates and 32% higher click rates. Here's the complete guide to adding AI to every step of your email marketing. AI tools like Phrasee and Copied AI test thousands of subject line variations and predict open rates before you send. Average improvement, 22% higher open rates. AI analyzes each subscriber's behavior and generates unique email content per segment, or even per person. Dynamic content blocks adjust automatically based on engagement history. AI predicts the optimal send time for each individual subscriber based on their open patterns. MailChimp, Brevo, and Klaviyo all have this built in now. Build welcome sequences, abandon cart flows, and re-engagement campaigns where AI writes and optimizes the copy continuously. Set it and forget it. The AI improves over time. Download my AI email marketing checklist in the description. Subscribe for the complete Klaviyo AI tutorial launching next week.